project for the YWCA was to do their strategic marketing campaign. So basically do a campaign for a 5-year project and kind of map out the rest of the year for the YW.
What we were able to do was streamline the process so that we were able to come up with certain deliverables that we were able to provide the organization. So we're developing not just a strategy for them, but we've developed some promotional materials, some advertisements that they can use as they roll out the actual strategy over the next coming 2 years.
People are often confused about what the YW does, and our project was supposed to help educate the general public about how they're different and helping the homeless population.
We had 3 main goals for the strategic marketing plan. The first goal was to better brand the YWCA. The second goal was to educate the general public and corporate supporters about homelessness in Niagara, as well as the work that YWCA does for homelessness. And then the third main goal was to increase donor support from both the individual donors and corporate supporters.
So one of the challenges that we have is that people don't necessarily recognize us in the community, and so we were looking for an opportunity to develop something that would build the recognition of the work that we do in the community, and that will in turn support the women that we serve by garnering more support from the community, be it through volunteers or financial support. And by doing that, they're benefiting the whole community, because when we can support vulnerable women and their families, it supports the whole community.
It's been a great experience being part of Leadership Niagara. I met a lot of great people and got a lot of new contacts, and I learned a lot of new information about how to be a leader in my community.
I think I really learned to appreciate the different perspectives that each person brings to a project. I think that there were some really great suggestions and a really great discussion that helped really shape the project itself.
No, it's been really fulfilling, actually. I think the best part of it is that I've made a lot of strong relationship with a lot of the Leadership Niagara participants, so that's been really, really great. And also just to be a part of an organization such as YWCA and contribute to what they're doing in the Niagara community.
Yeah, I really enjoyed the Leadership Niagara program over the last, I think it's around 9-10 months.
I think that Leadership Niagara is helping foster the leadership. I think that there's a lot of leaders that already exist in the community, but I think it's bringing them together and figuring out how as leaders we can work with other leaders in the community to really move Niagara forward.